In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on the USA app. If you spend a lot of time on your device, you know how important it is to reduce eye strain and conserve battery life, and dark mode helps with exactly that. So let's dive right in. The first step is ensuring your USAA app is up to date. You can do this by heading over to either the App Store if you're using iOS or Google Play for Android devices. Simply search for USAA Mobile and see if there's an update available. App updates often include new features, improvements, and bug fixes, which might just be what you need to see the dark mode option appear. Once your app is updated, launch the USAA app on your device and log in using your regular credentials. You'll want to have full access to your account settings, so make sure your information is entered correctly. Now that we're in, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You can do this by tapping on the profile or menu icon, which can usually be found at the top left or top right corner of your screen. From there, go into the settings or profile and preferences section, depending on what your app version displays. After you found your way to the settings, it's time to look for the display options. Search for sections labeled Theme, Display, Appearance, or App Settings. These categories will often include options to change how your app looks, including toggling on dark mode. If you spot a dark mode option or a theme toggle here, you're right where you need to be. To turn dark mode on, simply switch on the dark mode toggle. In some versions, you might also see an option to follow the system settings. Choosing this means your app will automatically switch to dark mode whenever your device's system setting is in dark mode. This feature is not only convenient, but ensures consistency across all your apps, making it easier on the eyes. If you don't see the dark mode option, don't worry. First, double check that your app is updated and try restarting it after the update. Sometimes simply turning your phone's system-wide dark mode on can also trigger the app to adjust accordingly. Many modern apps align with the device's theme, so this might just do the trick. If all else fails and dark mode is still elusive, reaching out to USA support for assistance is a good next step as they can provide further guidance. Lastly, if you want the app to match your device's theme automatically, you can enable dark mode system-wide on iOS by going to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and on Android by navigating to Settings, then Display. With these steps, you'll enjoy the benefits of dark mode on your USA app seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.